Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Jasper to generate LinkedIn carousels and captions, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an active Jasper account. Log into your Jasper account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, find the integrations tab. Click on the integrations tab to view available options. Look for the LinkedIn integration in the list. Select the LinkedIn integration to begin the authorization process. You will see an option to connect to LinkedIn. Click on the Connect to LinkedIn button. A new window will open prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Allow Jasper to access your LinkedIn account by clicking Allow on the Permissions page. After granting access, close the Permissions window. Return to the Jasper dashboard to confirm the integration is connected. You will see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Now, navigate to the Content Creation area in Jasper. Select Create Carousel from the available content options. Input your desired topics and content ideas for the carousel. Jasper will generate the carousel slides based on your input. Review the generated content and make any necessary edits. Once satisfied, move on to generating captions for your carousel. Select the option to create captions alongside your carousel. Input any specific details you want included in your captions. Jasper will generate captions tailored to your carousel content. Review the captions and adjust as needed. Prepare to publish by copying the carousel and captions. Log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the post creation area on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.